Hi friends, hope you're all doing great. In today's video, sharing a makeover, adding wallpaper to the hall and the bedroom and giving more elegant and vibrant look to each wall. I'll give you all the information, how to paste the wallpaper, cost and where to buy. All the information, so watch the video till the end. If you're watching my videos for the first time, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Before applying the wallpaper, we need to apply the primer to the wall so that it gives the very smooth finishing. Right now they are applying the primer in the hall. They have to apply 2 coats and it has to dry for 48 hours so that the finishing will be very clean and neat. This is in one of the bedroom where there is a POP design in L shape. Only in this particular L design we are applying the wallpaper. Before applying the primer, always clean the walls and remove the dust. Otherwise, it will get stick to the wall. So they are applying the primer completely to that L shape POP design. Once the primer painting is done, let it dry for 48 hours. This is the golden yellow or sunny yellow color I have chosen for the hall. It has the beautiful flower birds, also with the distressed texture on it. According to the measurement of the wall, they have cut the wallpaper into the long sheets. The wall is completely dried and cleaned. This is the another beautiful wallpaper I have chosen for the bedroom. This is the Persian blue with the little bright shine flowers on it, which you feel like the sky with the stars. That's the reason I took this. After cutting the wallpaper with proper measurements, each and every sheet they are applying the liquid gum. Now comes the very important thing after pasting the gum, placing them evenly and pasting it without any air bubbles, which is very important, because once the gum is pasted to the wall, it quickly dries. Within that few minutes of time they have to paste it evenly without having any air bubbles in behind the wall. We bought this beautiful wallpapers in Floating Walls shop. It's in Bangalore. There are many branches available in Bangalore. I will give you the link in the description if anybody in Bangalore wanted to purchase. And the best part is, we bought this during the 50% sale offer time. So we got it for a very good price. I will share you those details also. While pasting, they are using the cotton cardboard sheet to remove the excess sheets where it is not needed. Also, they are using the soft cloth to remove the excess air bubbles from it. The golden yellow always gives the vibrant look in the living area. Also, as per the Vastu, yellow is the good symbol to keep the wall color in the living room. It's almost done and it is looking so vibrant and elegant, right? The best part is once you select the wallpapers from the Floating Walls furnishing shop, they only send their people for the professional wallpaper pasting. And you can see this distressed look and the beautiful flower birds are looking very nice. Once the pasting is done, it needs another 48 hours to give the finished look. So this is the final look. For the bedroom, we have chosen this Persian blue with the golden star flowers. They started applying the wallpaper. We are just applying this wallpaper only to that POP L shaped design so that it gives a unique look to the entire room. The most toughest part while pasting the wallpaper for this is each and every sheet has to match to the flower design, otherwise the pattern will change completely. They are very careful. That's why it came so professionally and neatly. The other beautiful thing is for this wallpaper the flowers has this golden painting on it. When you on the LED lights it gives that golden texture and the brightness of the flowers will glow. Looks so beautiful, right? So for the both the wallpapers it costed us around 10,000 because of the 50% sale offer, and also these are all including with the professional labor cost and the primer painting also. So hope you like this video. This is the final look of the bedroom makeover with the wallpaper. For more such interesting videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.